Meet Barbara O'Neill is a renowned health educator known for her holistic perspective on wellness and aging. She emphasizes the harmony between the body, mind, and spirit, highlighting how adopting a healthy lifestyle can greatly improve both lifespan and overall vitality. In this video, we will dive into Barbara O'Neill's perspective on eye health, covering topics such as understanding eye health, the causes of eye problems, and natural remedies for eye health. So let's start the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Understanding eye health. Eye health is crucial for overall well-being, yet many people experience various issues due to lifestyle factors, environmental influences, and dietary deficiencies. Barbara O'Neill emphasizes that understanding the root causes of these problems is essential for effective prevention and treatment. Causes of eye problems. 1. Excessive screen time. In our digital age, prolonged exposure to screens, computers, smartphones, tablets, can lead to digital eye strain. Symptoms include dryness, blurred vision, headaches, and discomfort. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt sleep patterns and contribute to eye fatigue. 2. Poor nutrition. A diet lacking in essential vitamins and minerals can lead to degenerative eye conditions. For instance, insufficient intake of antioxidants increases the risk of cataracts and macular degeneration. Nutritional deficiencies, particularly in vitamins A, C, E, and omega-3 fatty acids, can impair vision over time. 3. Inadequate hydration. Dehydration affects the body's ability to produce tears, leading to dry eyes. This condition can cause irritation and discomfort. Proper hydration is vital for maintaining moisture levels in the eyes. 4. Lack of rest. Insufficient sleep can hinder the eye's natural healing processes and lead to chronic fatigue and discomfort. During sleep, the body repairs itself, including the eyes. 5. Environmental factors. Exposure to pollutants, allergens, and harsh lighting can irritate the eyes and contribute to various conditions. Windy or dry environments can exacerbate dry eye symptoms. Natural remedies for eye health. Barbara O'Neill advocates for a holistic approach to maintaining eye health through natural remedies and lifestyle adjustments. Here are her detailed recommendations. 1. Dietary changes. A balanced diet rich in specific nutrients is foundational for eye health. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, and collard greens are packed with lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that help filter harmful blue light and protect retinal cells. Colorful fruits. Citrus fruits, oranges, lemons, and berries, blueberries, strawberries, are high in vitamin C, which supports blood vessels in the eyes and reduces the risk of cataracts. Omega-3 fatty acids. Found in fatty fish, salmon, mackerel, walnuts, and flax seeds, omega-3s are crucial for maintaining retinal health and preventing dry eyes. Carrots. Rich in beta-carotene, a precursor to vitamin A. Carrots support night vision and overall eye function. Nuts and seeds. Almonds and sunflower seeds provide vitamin E, which protects eye cells from oxidative damage. 2. Hydration. Staying hydrated is essential for maintaining moisture levels in the eyes. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily. Incorporate hydrating foods like cucumbers, watermelon, and oranges into your diet. 3. Eye exercises. O'Neill recommends simple exercises to strengthen eye muscles and relieve strain. Palming. Rub your palms together until warm. Close your eyes and cover them gently with your palms without applying pressure. This technique relaxes the eye muscles. Focus shifts. Hold one finger a few inches away from your face while focusing on it. Then shift your focus to an object further away, about 20 feet, for a few seconds before returning your gaze to your finger. Repeat several times to improve focus flexibility. 4. Screen time management. To mitigate the effects of prolonged screen use, follow the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes of screen time, look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. This practice helps relax eye muscles. Adjust screen brightness and contrast settings to reduce glare. Use blue light filters or glasses designed to block blue light from screens. 5. Sun exposure. Natural sunlight is beneficial for overall health. Spend time outdoors daily. Aim for at least 3 hours if possible, to boost vitamin D levels. Wear sunglasses that block UV rays when outside to protect your eyes from harmful radiation. 6. Proper lighting. Ensure adequate lighting while reading or working. Use soft lighting that reduces glare on screens or pages. Position light sources behind you rather than directly in front of you to minimize reflections. 7. Regular breaks. Taking breaks during prolonged activities helps prevent strain. Set a timer to remind yourself to take breaks every hour. 8. Protective measures. Protecting your eyes from environmental factors is crucial. Wear protective eyewear when engaging in activities that could cause injury. Use goggles when swimming in chlorinated water or working with chemicals. 9. Herbal remedies. O Neill suggests using herbal solutions for soothing irritated eyes. Prepare a wash using dried eyebright or golden seal. Steep 1 teaspoon of dried eyebright in a cup of boiling water for about 10 minutes. Strain and cool before using as an eye rinse or compress. Conclusion. Barbara O Neill emphasizes a proactive approach to eye health through natural remedies and lifestyle choices. By understanding the causes of common eye problems and implementing these holistic strategies, such as dietary changes, regular exercise, proper hydration, screen time management, and protective measures, individuals can significantly enhance their eye health over time. Incorporating these practices into daily life not only supports vision but also contributes to overall well-being. Regular checkups with healthcare professionals remain essential for monitoring eye health and addressing any concerns promptly. By taking charge of their eye health naturally, individuals can enjoy clearer vision and improved quality of life as they age.